Yeah, this is Sean Bennett with my little introduction video for curriculum planning and evaluation. Um, Biggest thing about me is I'm a dad. I have a 5 and 3 year old, and that's my passion. Those little girls. Um, One of them just started kindergarten this year. She loves school, so that's exciting. 3 year old can't wait to be up at school with her sister. So they keep me busy when I'm not coaching and teaching. Um, Professional career. This just started my 6th year of teaching. My first 3 years I taught at South High School in Wichita, Kansas. I did lifetime sports there. This is starting my 3rd year down at Winfield Middle School. I'm teaching numerous different classes there, which I kind of like. It keeps me on my toes. When I was at South, I only taught one class, 3 hours of the day, and so I was on repeat. Wasn't as enjoyable. Down in Winfield, I teach a 6th grade everyday wellness, which we actually started that class my first year down there. So I've kind of been a part of starting that curriculum. So that's kind of the closest thing I have to curriculum planning. But it's been fun. The nurse and I have came up with the class on our own. I also teach 7th and 8th grade PE, 7th and 8th grade power, speed, and quickness, which is our version of weights class. So we're starting to get the middle schoolers involved. Sports programs down there have been kind of down, so we're trying to find a way to adjust that. I'm also the head baseball coach at Winfield High School. This will be my 3rd year coming up in the spring. We took it over. The year before we'd won 3 games, so we're kind of progressing as we get going. And that kind of leads into the short-term and long-term professional goals. Coaching is my passion. I also know I want to advance in my career. Obviously, want to move on up. Tough part is when to do that. The next couple of years, I'd like to be an athletic director somewhere, maybe an assistant principal. In smaller districts, I know a lot of times they coincide, which I would really enjoy. But I took over 2 years ago at Winfield for the baseball team, and I started 5 freshmen right from the get-go, and so we're kind of building. I'd like to see that class through, but I also know I got to take care of my family and do what's best for them. So it's that fine line of doing what you enjoy and are passionate about, and moving on and continuing to advance in your career and taking care of your family and stuff like that. So that's the fine line that I'm going to battle for here the next year or so. But I think the parents know that the only reason I'd be doing it is to take care of my family. So consider what you hope to learn from this course. I just want to know what goes on into developing a curriculum, and how to best prepare our students for the future, and especially with the idea that most of the jobs that they'll be entering into haven't even been developed yet. When I read that was a really kind of startling fact. How do we know what we're even preparing them for? And I think that's why the critical thinking, collaborating, and problem-solving skills are the greatest skills that we can teach them, and then that gives them the opportunity to go and work with others and be problem solvers. So I want to thank you for your time. Look forward to learning with everybody this semester. Have a good one.